history of feminist writing has changed an awful lot over the years. Today we're going to get a snapshot of 1837. My name is Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at Test 5, Section 1, Number 15, which reads, as used in line 12, peculiar most nearly means. Now remember, for vocabulary and context, ignore any meaning of the word that you're familiar with. You could think of your own word or words that would fit in place and find a match in the answer choice. So you can also put each answer choice in place of the original word. And then lastly, look for a synonym before or after. And as many of these things you could do, the better, to help you to ensure the correct answer. So we go to the passage. And in the beginning of this, she's talking about men and women's relations. And we pick up in, as they relate to society, how men influence society versus how women influence society. And beginning line 10, she says, and by the way, this is Catherine Beecher. Beecher says, but it was designed that the mode of gaining influence, she's talking about women here, and exercising power should be altogether different and peculiar. Now notice I highlighted different and peculiar. When things are connected with an and, that shows a relationship. They're either going to be synonyms or antonyms. What are they in this context? They mean the same thing. So different in the context means peculiar. And keep in mind that it is how a woman is influencing and exercising her power in society. So we need a synonym of different. Infrequent definitely does not mean different. It would be a stretch to make it seem like it means different. And even surprising, it's a stretch to say that surprising means different. Now, eccentric means different in kind of a weird way. Would that fit the context? Or distinctive, meaning separate, like men influence one way, women influence another way. They don't influence the same way. And it looks like that is the best answer. And if we read it in place, the mode of gaining influence for a woman and of exercising power should be altogether different and distinct. It makes perfect sense, and you could have also thought of your own word that would fit. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble with vocabulary and context. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.